the Deposit Protection Fund of Uganda commenced payments of depositors of the closed EFC Uganda Limited on January 29, 2024. All depositors with balances below Uganda shillings 100,000 who submitted valid NINs and matching mobile phone details have been paid. As at February 11, 2024, approximately 50% of the depositors who held balances of up to 10 million Uganda shillings had been paid. Effective February 12, 2024, the fund has made arrangements to start receiving and verifying documents of depositors who held company and joint accounts. These depositors shall be required to submit the underlisted documents to the Deposit Protection Fund of Uganda at AHA Towers, Plot 7, Lawdell Road, Kampala, during working hours.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.